Welcome you all to weekly Love and Relationships Tarot Scope for 4th Feb to 10th Feb. Hi, I'm Sanjana Mittal, Vedic astrologer and tarot card reader with TruthStar.com. Let us see what cards say about your love and relations. Aries sign, you feel romantic and may have heady crush, love at first sight or one-side love, chasing and passive love, SMS constantly may prove only waste of time. You may have several romantic choices at hand. Be clear and specific about what you want in a relationship. Evaluate your choices thoughtfully. Be honest and as clear as you can be, then move ahead. Bulls are very smart, charming and win the heart of partner. New beginning and higher expectations are on the cards. This is the time when you need not to put extra efforts in relationship area. People around you are just influenced by your magnetic personality. Those single can be double and enjoy togetherness. The existing relations will find a new meaning in their relations and they will come closer. Now we come to Gemini. Gemini people feel more spiritualistic and devotional this week. Love emotions are taking back seat. You prefer rather isolation than being with the wrong crowd or partner. Those committed have to stay connected with their time and attention in order to spark a life. The singles may have excuses for not having sufficient time or getting positive response from the other side either. Introspect, read novels, watch good movies to regenerate and kindle the flame of love. Mistakes done in the past have to be rectified. Cancer people have to work with cool mind than with racing hearts. This is the time to make final judgment in relationships. If you are already in a relationship, this can be a make or break period. This is a time to get very clear about what you want out of your relationships and then take steps to make it come about. If you are seeking love, a new relationship, it's not the right time to take hasty decision. Judge the person and take your own time. For Leos, new ideas and plans and those positive ones will certainly help you to revitalize your relations with loved ones. Love, romance is in the air and you are in full mood to express your feelings to whom you have crush. The singletons will have opportunity to meet their sweetheart in one of the social gathering and great going without wasting any time. They tell the story of their hearts. This is a good time to make relations for you. Other relations are flourishing too, giving you contentment and happiness. For Virgo people, there are chances of counterfeit love, so be cautious. It looks like the real deal, but on a gut level you know that something is not quite right. Investigate before you take any final decision. Singletons may be interested in having a greater sexual experience rather than the soulmate experience. It may cause guilt-driven perversions. Existing relations should have to clear the doubts and confusions to avoid any misunderstanding. For Libran people, mind, heart and emotions going different ways. If you are waiting reply from someone, you may have to wait. This is a highly emotional time in love relationship. Things can quickly become heated. Take a break if you need to. Don't make assumptions and fight fairly. If you are going to fight, treat your lover like a friend. Don't be in a hurry to end or to begin a relationship either. This is probably not the best time for either course of action. Scorpion, if you are already committed, don't hesitate to speak your mind to your beloved. You stand with pride and express your feelings. This will only improve your relationship as long as you are simultaneously considerate of the way in which you speak your mind. If single, you are about to meet someone new away from your usual haunts. This is the time when you can strengthen your bonding with your loved one. Now we talk about Sagittarian. You seem to be confused and double-minded person this week. If you are looking for love, take a good hard look at yourself first to see if you have any outstanding emotional issues that need to be dealt with. This is a time of major turnoff. Those are the losers who find faults and follies in their partner. Accept them as they are. Your relationship will move into a lighter, easier, and more balanced phase when you are sure of yourself. For Capricorn people, the time is right for soul searching and discovery of the inner realms. You will enjoy the company of others at this time. It is a very positive time for you and an excellent opportunity to strengthen relationships of any kind. Though single and seeking love, there is a good chance that they will find a wise and loving partner who will be from influential family. You feel very positive, energetic and a blissful person. Warmth and affection of other relations will make your week very comfortable. Aquarians, if you are currently in a committed relationship, it may well rise to new and better heights soon. You will reconnect. If you are looking for love, this is a very positive time to get out and meet people. Something new could start that is very promising in terms of love. Be prepared. This is the time to have fun, enjoy the company. Buying an expensive gift for your loved one is on the cards. You may also visit to an exotic place or dining out together. Pisces people, there is hope and happiness on emotional level, along with a new sense of security, protection and recovery. You are at the place where miracles happen. Enjoying the warmth, affection and togetherness with a loved one is on the cards. Some good news may cheer up your heart. An auspicious ceremony like birth of child or marriage may take place. The married people will strengthen their relations. All doubts and misunderstandings are cleared now. There is a smooth sailing in your relations. So enjoy the week. Bye and see you soon.